Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade Recipe and Lifestyle. My name is Lola and you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make the best plantains porridge. If you want to know how to prepare this delicious and healthy meal, please keep watching. And before we go into the cooking, I would like us to unbox my new cookwares that I just got from Asda. So please pardon me for taking your time. Alright, welcome back. So guys, these are my new cooking pots, right? I got this from Asda. If you remember my previous short video where I show you guys Asda doing rollback on some cooking gadgets, some cookwares. Yeah, I got this from there. And then I will be using this stock pot to prepare this recipe. This is non-stick pot and it says 15 years guarantee. Okay, so I will go ahead to unseal this pot. I love this pot, it's so beautiful. I just like it. I wanted to get the set. The set was, the price before was £60, but now they are selling it for £38. So I realized the size of the set was too small for my liking, so I decided to pick some size that I really need. So I'll be using this particular pot to prepare this recipe. And this is the second one. This is a pan. I really love this. I just love it. I love this. Honestly, it's so beautiful. So you can see it has a cover handle. I just love the wooden handle of this pan and the pot as well. It's very amazing. And the rollback price is still going on. You can still get yours if you live close to Asda, or if you live in a city where there is Asda supermarkets. Okay, so this is the third one. This is I got this from African shop. I love this pot. You know, I've been seeing it for some while now, so I said I'm coming back for this pot. I got this for my jollof rice. Yes, I will love using this pot to make jollof rice. Yeah, jollof rice. So it's very nice. I love this Dutch pot. Okay guys, thank you so much for your patience. I really appreciate. So let's go into the cooking. To make plantains porridge, you will need plantains. I will be using bell peppers, onion, Scotch bonnet, spring onion, ginger, garlic, and spinach. You can use tomatoes as well. I will be using palm oil, salt to taste, smoked mackerel fish, crayfish, and seasoning cubes. Now let's start the peeling process. I've already washed my plantain with water and baking soda. You can use salt, you can use vinegar. It is very important you wash your plantain before cooking, okay, or before peeling it. Of course, I know you will wash your plantain before cooking, but washing your plantain before peeling it is very important, because these plantains were exposed where I got it, so I need to get rid of any form of bacteria or germ from it, so I really need to wash it before using it. Okay, Yellow plantain is very easy to peel, but the green one, I don't really like peeling the green plantains. I don't know why. So I will go ahead and blend my peppers off camera to save our time. I finished peeling all the plantains. I will go ahead by cutting this plantain into smaller sizes. You can cut these plantains into any size that you prefer, but whenever I'm making plantains porridge, I love to cut my green plantains this way because it is harder than the yellow one. So it's your choice. You can cut it into any shape, any size that you prefer. Okay. Once I'm through with the cutting, I will go ahead and transfer these plantains into water and I will wash this thoroughly. Now it is time to cook our porridge. Time. So it is time to start the cooking process. I have my pot on fire. I will go ahead and add palm oil. If you don't have palm oil, or maybe you are allergic to it, you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my diced onion. Then I will add the blended peppers, garlic, ginger. Yeah, garlic and ginger, and stir this together. I'm going to allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes later, I will go ahead and add my seasoning cubes. I'm using chicken flavor. I will add my salt to taste, half of the crayfish. Then I will reserve the half or the remaining crayfish for the later use. Okay. Now I will go ahead by adding my plantain. I will first you add the green plantains into this pot. I love to cook my green plantains first. Yes, this can take time to cook properly, so I love to cook it first before adding the ripe one. That one doesn't take longer. Yeah, I'll go ahead and cover this to cook for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I've come back to check on the plantains on fire. Now I will go ahead and add the ripe plantain. Then I will stir this together. Remember, I didn't add water to the green plantain first. So now, after stirring this together, I will go ahead by adding water. And I will make sure that the water cover the plantain. Now I'm going to cover this plantains and let it cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I have come back to check on my plantains and I will go ahead by adding the mackerel fish. My mackerel fish today is little, but that's just what I have to use. Okay, I will stir this together. You can use any meat, any fish of your choice. If you have fried meat, grilled meat, chicken or beef, goat meat, anyone, you can add it, to even gizzard, you can use it as well if you have it. At this stage, I will taste for salt. Everything is just perfectly okay for this recipe at this moment. So I will still go ahead and cover this to cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes later, this plantain is ready. Now I will go ahead by adding my spinach, my diced sweet pepper, and spring onion. The spring onion, the spinach, the sweet pepper are optional. If you don't like it or if you don't want it, you can skip it. This just add more nutrients to this recipe and also make this more colorful. I love vegetables for my porridge, whether plantains or yam. If you have watched this video to this very moment, I say a big thank you to you. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support me. I do appreciate you all. Thank you so much. All right, guys, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share if you can, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.